हेलो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स। आज का टॉपिक है ऑपरेशंस ऑन सिग्नल। ऑपरेशंस ऑन सिग्नल, एक सिग्नल के ऊपर क्या क्या ऑपरेशंस किया जा सकता है। ठीक है। नाउ सपोज यू आर हैविंग ए सिग्नल xt. देयर आर टू वेरिएबल्स, वन इज डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल x, अदर इज इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल t. दैट मीन्स t के ऊपर ऑपरेशंस किया जा सकता है, x के ऊपर ऑपरेशंस किया जा सकता है। t के ऊपर क्या क्या ऑपरेशंस किया जा सकता है, x के ऊपर क्या क्या ऑपरेशंस किया जा सकता है, अभी हम लोग देख लेंगे। ठीक है। नाउ t के ऊपर देयर आर थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ ऑपरेशंस यू कैन मेक. सो वन यू कैन से टाइम रिवर्सल और टाइम फोल्डिंग. ओके, ये t के ऊपर ऑपरेशन. सिमिलरली अनदर ऑपरेशन यू कैन मेक ओवर t, that is time shifting. Another operation you can make over t, that is your time scaling. सो t के ऊपर तीन ऑपरेशन, सिमिलरली x के ऊपर तीन ऑपरेशन. क्या क्या होगा? x के ऊपर अगर ऑपरेशन देखोगे, ये t के ऊपर ऑपरेशन, ये t के ऊपर ऑपरेशन. सिमिलरली x के ऊपर क्या क्या ऑपरेशन होगा? एम्पलीट्यूड रिवर्सल, नेक्स्ट एम्पलीट्यूड शिफ्टिंग, then amplitude scaling. ओके. सो ये ऑपरेशंस x के ऊपर हो सकता है, ये ऑपरेशंस t के ऊपर हो सकता है. अभी एक एक करके हम लोग देख लेंगे. अंडरस्टूड? एक एक करके समझने की कोशिश करेंगे. सो टाइम फर्स्ट लेट मी डिस्कस टाइम रिवर्सल और टाइम फोल्डिंग ऑपरेशन. ओके. So whenever you just make this operation, then definitely you are changing the signal. Whatever the signal is given to you, you are changing the signal by doing this operation. By doing this operation, if any operation is made over a signal, that means the signal itself is changed. Understood? After changing, what will be the shape? How to plot the signal? That we are going to discuss here. Okay, so that means time reversal or time folding operation. Let me discuss first, then I will cover time shifting, then time scaling, then amplitude reversal, amplitude shifting, amplitude scaling, etc. etc. Understood? Now let me cover first time reversal or time folding operation. Time reversal or time folding operation. See, time reversal or time folding. Now suppose x is a function of t. So this is a signal. Suppose this is a signal. Then what will be the time reversal version of this signal? How to denote this? This is x is a function of minus t. Before t you just put minus sign. Then this is nothing but time reversal version of xt. If xt is a signal, then time reversal of xt is x of minus t. Suppose this is another signal, you can say yt. That means this is a different signal. This signal is not xt. It is not same as xt. It is different from xt. So therefore I am mentioning suppose this is yt. Okay. So now how to plot this signal? How to plot this signal? Suppose xt is given, then x of minus t. How to plot? What will be the concept behind it? Now let me discuss actually this concept. Now suppose xt, let us discuss for proper understanding. Let us take xt as ut. Suppose I am taking this. Now suppose you want to find out x of minus t. Try to understand. So then u of minus t. Then how to sketch u of minus t? U of t, you know the definition of u of t. Try to understand. 1 t greater than equal to 0. It is equal to 0 t less than 0. See here. Very interesting. ut is equal to 1 t greater than equal to 0. It is equal to 0 t less than 0, or if you consider exact definition, this is 1 by 2 t equal to 0. Understood? Now if you find u of minus t, then u of minus t, that means in place of t you just use minus t. So this is equal to 1. T greater than 0 means minus t greater than 0. If a minus t greater than 0, then you just multiply actually minus sign in both sides, which implies t less than 0. T less than 0. Minus sign, if you multiply, this greater than inequality will reverse. Greater than becomes less than. Now, this is equal to 0 minus t less than 0, because in place of t you are using minus t. Minus t less than 0, which implies t greater than 0. Multiply minus sign, inequality will reverse. Okay. Now, this is equal to half for minus t equal to 0, which implies t equal to 0. There is no problem. Understood? Now, if you want to sketch it, what type of sketch you will find? UT sketch, that is known to you. UT sketch is what? This is the sketch for UT. This is one UT sketch. Now, if you want to sketch u of minus t, then see, this is time axis. This is u of minus t sketch. It is 1 for t less than 0. This is 0. T less than 0 is value is 1. T less than 0 is value is 1. Now it is 0 for t greater than 0. T greater than 0 is value is 0. T greater than 0 is value is 0. Now it is half. T is equal to 0. T is equal to 0 value is average value half. Now this is the signal which is nothing but known as u of minus t. That means ut, its a folded version is u of minus t, and this folded version is graphically drawn in this manner. So if ut is this, u of minus t is this. So what will be the conclusion? That means see here, the conclusion is, if this is time axis, this is your ut, then u of minus t is in this manner. You have already drawn. This is your u of minus t. This is 1, this is 1, this is u of minus t. Now, if you mark this to signal, it is observed that if a mirror is put here, then exact reflection you will find here. So this exact reflection is nothing but known as a folded version of the signal ut. So therefore, what will be the conclusion? If xt is a signal, then its folded version is represented by x of minus t. It is nothing but the reflection about vertical axis. The reflection about vertical axis. That means if there is a signal and you want to draw its folded version or its folded version of the signal x of minus t, then how to draw? Just imagine a mirror. Actually, this mirror is a both-sided mirror, you can say. Both-sided mirror. From this side you will find mirror effect. From this side also you will find mirror effect. You just imagine a both-sided mirror which must be over the vertical axis, and whatever the reflections you will find, you just draw the reflection. That will be the folded version of the given signal. Understood? Okay? Now see. Now suppose you are having a signal, any signal will be given to you. You can easily sketch its folded version. Suppose you can see here, knowing this concept, xt, suppose it is given t. Now how to sketch actually x of minus t? Try to understand. First you have to sketch xt is equal to t. This is time axis. Xt is equal to t means this. This is t means for all t you have to draw. Then what you have to do? X of minus t. That means you just imagine a mirror here. This is time axis. Just imagine a mirror here. If you imagine a mirror, then whatever the reflection, that reflection you have to sketch. That's all. Whatever the reflection, this reflection. So you have to put a both-sided mirror here. Both-sided mirror. You just put a mirror which is giving the mirror effect from both sides. That means this portion reflection you will find here. This portion reflection you will find here. See here. This portion reflection you will find here. This portion reflection you will find here. Mirror. Understood? That means this will be the plot which is nothing but your x of minus t, which is equal to minus t. If x of t is equal to t, x of minus t is equal to minus t. Understood? Okay. So that means any folded signal, any signal is given, it's a time reversal signal or it's a folded version can be drawn very easily. Suppose you are having this signal, try to understand. Suppose this is the signal. This is 0, this is 1, suppose this is 2. Now this is xt. Now how to sketch x of minus t? So that means you just imagine a mirror here. If you imagine a mirror here, then what will be the reflection? This point will be exactly here, equal distance. That means you will find this point. Exactly this point will be here, because mirror is over this axis, means this point will not change. Now this will be the reflection. Very simple. Now this is 1, means here you will find minus 1. This is your minus 1. Now this is 2. This is your x of minus t. Understood? It is very easy. That means imagine a mirror, both sides of the mirror. That means the mirror having mirror effect in both sides. Then accordingly you just sketch the reflection only. Then whatever the plot you find, that is known as x of minus t, or time reversal of the given plot. Understood? Okay, good. Now see here what you will do. So any signal you have, suppose you are having this signal. Suppose you are having this signal. Suppose this is your 5, this is your xt. Then how to sketch x of minus t? It is very simple. Imagine a mirror, you will find this. This is 5, this is x of minus t. Okay, so any signal you have, you can sketch the reversal version of the signal, time reversal version of the signal, time reversal version of the signal, or time folded version of the signal. Okay, now let us find actually, suppose xt, quickly you just plot u of t. Now x of minus t is what? X of minus t. So this is u of minus t. So how to sketch? This is your ut, now this is your u of minus t. Mirror, imagine the mirror, reflection of this is u of t, this is u of minus t. Now suppose xt is equal to r of t. Now what is x of minus t? This is your r of minus t. Now you know actually rt, so this is rt. Now how to sketch actually r of minus t? Imagine the mirror here, this is your r of minus t. This slope is 1, this slope is minus 1. Try to understand, this slope is minus 1. This slope is minus 1. The most important concept. This slope is 1, this slope is minus 1 because it is falling, it is rising. Okay, so now suppose you are having xt is equal to parabolic function, whatever the parabolic function, suppose you are taking pt, unit parabolic function. That means x of minus t, this is your p of minus t. How to sketch it? So this is your pt, you know, t square by 2. Now imagine a mirror here. If you put a mirror here, then you will find the reflection just like this. This is your reflection. So this is your p of minus t. If this is your pt, then this is your p of minus t. This is your p of minus. This equation is also same, t square by 2. This equation will be same. Why? In place of t you just use minus t. This is minus t square. Again actually t minus t ka whole square. This is t square by 2. Understood or not? So whatever the sketch you have, so you can find out the folded version of the signal. Whatever the signal you have, you can find out the folded version of the signal in this manner. Suppose you are having the signal in this manner. See here, this is the signal suppose. So now this is suppose 1, this is suppose minus 2. Now this is suppose 1, this is suppose minus 3. Suppose. Then it's very simple. So what we have to do? This is suppose xt. Then how to sketch x of minus t? This is x of minus t. Imagine a mirror here. If you imagine a mirror here, then this point will not change, this point will not change. So this is 1. But this portion will come this side. Means 1 become minus 1. This is the sketch for this portion. Now this minus 2 becomes actually plus 2. Here 2. Now minus 3 will be there. Minus 3. Now this is the sketch. This is the sketch. Here 1, this is minus 3, this is minus 1, this is 2. This is nothing but x of minus t. So any signal you have, you can find the folded version of the signal, or you can easily sketch the time reversal of the signal. Time reversal of the signal. Whatever the signal you have, doesn't matter. Okay. Now suppose actually xt is a rect t by tau. Xt is a rect t by tau. Now how to sketch the signal? You know, this is a rectangular pulse, minus tau by 2 to tau by 2. I have told, because here in the denominator tau is there, means this is total width. Now this is your a. Now see here xt. Now x of minus t, x of minus t. There is no problem, x of minus t. Imagine the mirror here over the vertical axis. Remember, both sided mirror. Now this portion reflection here, this portion reflection here, again you will find same signal, minus tau by 2 to tau by 2, same signal, there is no change, same signal. That means here x of minus t is equal to x of t, here x of minus t is equal to x of t. Understood? X of minus t is equal to x of t. Okay, so this is a condition. If this condition is satisfied, then the signal is known as even signal. That also I will discuss later. Okay, so now for the timing, you just remember this signal is xt, this signal is minus xt, both the signals are same. In this case, both the signals are same. Similarly, whatever the signal you have, suppose xt, just see, you have to imagine a mirror. It is very easy. If you imagine a both sided mirror over the vertical axis, then folded version of the signal can easily be plotted. Okay, so now suppose you are having xt is equal to a triangular t by tau, and you know this signal. Many times I am sketching this signal, so it will be automatically remembered in your brain. It automatically remember to you. See, this is a minus tau to tau a. So now this is one sided width. I have told one side width tau. So now this is your xt. Now what is x of minus t? Now this will be the x of minus t. Put a mirror here. Now a will be there. This a, because mirror you are putting over this axis, so this point will not change. Now this point comes to this point goes to this point. Then here this point, this is tau, here this is minus tau. Again you are getting the same signal. That means here also x of minus t is equal to x of t. This condition satisfied means this signal is what? Even signal you can say. Even odd, that I will discuss later. Okay. So now anyway, you can easily sketch the folded version of the signal by imagining a mirror on the vertical axis. Which folded signal? Time folded signal, or you can say time reversal signal. Okay. Any signal you have, suppose you are having this signal xt, and xt suppose I am drawing in this one. This is your minus 1, this is your 3 minus 1. Suppose this value is 5, suppose this value is 2. So this is your xt. Then how to sketch actually x of minus t? X of minus t. That means imagine the mirror here. Now 3 becomes minus 3, here minus 3. Minus 1 becomes plus 1, here 1. The signal is this. This is 2. Now this is your x of minus t. If this is x of t, this will be x of minus t. Try to understand. This will be x of minus t. Okay. So any signal you have, you can sketch the folded version of the signal. You can sketch the folded version of the signal. Okay. Very simple. Now if you don't understand, you just take the example what I have discussed in my first discussion of this class. Xt is equal to ut, then x of minus t is equal to u of minus t. If you know the definition of ut, then using this definition of ut, put t is equal to minus t, then automatically you will find the definition of u of minus t. Okay, that means ut is equal to 1 for t greater than 0 is equal to 0 for t less than 0 is equal to half for t equal to 0. So if you use minus t in place of t, u of minus t is equal to 1, t के जगह पे minus t greater than 0, it means t less than 0, because if you multiply minus sign here, minus sign, this is plus t, less than greater than becomes less than, 0 into minus, that is minus sign, that is also 0. Now similarly is equal to 0 minus t less than 0, it means t greater than 0 is equal to half, this is minus t is equal to 0 implies t is equal to 0. So now this is nothing but the definition, and by knowing this definition you can sketch, and if you sketch you will find actually this is your u of minus t. Okay, so u of minus t having the value 1 in the left hand side and having the value 0 in the right hand side. U of t, if you sketch u of t having the value 1 in the right hand side and having the value 0 in the left hand side. Just reverse is the case here for u of minus t. Okay, so now any signal given to you, you can easily sketch the time folding of that, time folded of that signal, time folding operation. If the signal is operated, time folding operation is done over the signal, then you can easily sketch the signal. Okay, the trick is you have to imagine a both sided mirror on the vertical axis, and whatever the reflection will find, just sketch the reflection, that will be the time folded version of the given signal. Okay, thank you. Next video I will discuss other operations.